How are you? I'm here again, Ruby Channel. So, I'm gonna show you guys the flowers and the colorful flowers of my mother-in-law. Here, na-amaze ako dito sa orange na to. Iwan ko kung anong pangalan niya. But anyway, doon naman tayo dito. Yan ang, iwan ko anong tree yan. At ito naman is napakaganda ng pagka-flower at may mga bumblebee pa. Nagbazing-bazing dyan. So, see? Cute ng bumblebee. Hello, bumblebee. Hello. Oh, look at that. The color pink flower with matching green and fresh leaves. So, yun guys. Ang ganda niya tingnan. Napaka-attract niyang tingnan. Lalo na yung with green leaves. Really, yan. Dito yung mga green leaves, ibang flower. At dito naman kami sa grocery na may mga flower. Nagbibenta din sila mga different kind of flowers with some different kind color. And here, dito kami sa Canadian Tire naman, may mga marami naman silang display na nag-bloomingan ng mga different kind and colorful flowers. So, na-amaze ka talaga guys. Hindi mo alam kung pwede pa lang sila bilhin lahat para gumanda yung garden. So, you can choose any different kind of flower at hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. It's not so expensive. Yan is this is my mother's favorite. We call that African. So that's mother's very special flower when I was young. Oh my god. And yan, see, different kind, colorful, lovely flowers. Here you choose guys. And ito guys, it's real to hindi to siya plastic, hindi fake. Real flowers talaga to na iba't ibang color. Sa Pinas is paper lang na may mga pin na makikita doon. Ito naman ang pine tree. It's pine tree. Kakasibol ng pine tree niya. Yes, ang ganda, diba? Ganda niya guys. Nice. So thank you for watching. See you next.